23 degrees, overcast. First time I've been to Buriram without sweating my balls off. This will be good on this day. Yeah?
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. The music's loud and the woman warm. I've been kicked around since I was born, and now it's alright, it's okay. And you may look the other way, but we can try to understand. You don't time to wait on man. Whether you're a brother or whether you're a mother, you're staying alive, staying alive. Feel the city breaking and everybody shaking, and we're staying alive, staying alive.
Very sweet.
Staying alive, staying alive.
Hi. Thank you, my darling. How is Tom Yum?
อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก ต้มยำปลาหมึก อุ้ย หิวไหม Are you hungry? This is for his birthday, and some whiskey there, and some beer is here. I wish you enjoy.
Okay, so first up we take our noble steed, our Honda Wave motorcycle, to Mama's property in village number 7 where we do the fishing, and we look for the clams. Now I'm not very good at any of this sort of stuff, and you'll see later in the video me crossing the water. Now this is me crossing the water for no noble task rather than the cigarettes are in the other bag over the other side of the water, and I almost died getting them. Just to make things worse, when I got there and got the cigarettes, no lighter. Mintra had the lighter with her. That's okay.
Riders in the sky.
I know this looks like we're really out in the bush, but we're actually not that far from the main highway and Big C. If you look, and you can see the train bridge and you can see some buildings. Well, behind those buildings is actually the most major road in all of Buriram. But yes, it does feel that we're out, and we are out. Now, the problem, I didn't take the advice of my lovely Mintra. She said, no, always keep the shoes on because they're sharp. But because of the shoes I have, they're not holding me properly. I was tripping over and I was getting the shits, and I took them off and I walked home. Walked through the bush anyway. And I had a few cuts, nothing bad. It was okay. And I've got soft, girly feet, I might add. Yeah, but it was a terrific experience. I don't expect everyone to do it.
I'll go straight over the top, baby.
On the way back home, Mintra goes to get the salad from like a drainway type thing. She knows all about this stuff. She's expert. While I'm sitting there on the motorside just waiting, the boy's there, and there he is with the dogs, teaching you how to train dogs properly the Thai way.
No. Mate. Survive.
Then on the way home we drop into a restaurant, just going to get something to eat very quickly. Something to eat that turns into a Boney M dance contest. Who'd have thought? Hope you enjoyed the video. It's been interesting making them. Thanks very much. Bad thing.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.
know, it's just past midday on a Thursday. And this is my new friend that just took the wheel for me as well.
Very cute. That's good. That's good. Very cute. Ah, yeah.
He wants to be in video too.
พ่อนี่ไงมันเยอะมันนี่มันถือให้พี่สีแล้วมันใหญ่เต็มขนาดเลยวะไม่ชอบเลยค่ะเพราะว่าเปิดหูเปิดตาเด็กของอู้อยู่ห้องใช่ไม่รู้จะพาไปไหนแม่มานี่วะนั่นแหละ
Hi everyone, you're in for a real treat today because I have the beautiful Mintra tsunami
สวัสดีค่ะ
and yours truly Big Brennus. Now I'm going to ask Mintra some questions about the famous Lao Khao. Lao Khao. So where is Lao Khao from? Who mainly drink Lao Khao?
Lao Khao is from usually we call from Isaan because we make by the rice that we can eat.
Yes.
The rice. You know the rice?
Yes, we know.
Yes. In Italy we call risotto.
Yes.
Risotto. Yeah.
Okay. So my understanding is a lot of the rural people have it, a lot of the poor people.
Poor or rich, we think like a Lao Khao is like a tequila wine from Europe.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is this? See this bit of paper? What's that for?
Like we pay the government.
That's the tax.
Yes.
That's the tax.
But when gonna open, you need this to the finger
Yep. Okay. Show us
and
the-
push.
Yep. Ooh.
If not only finger, if you don't put a tissue, this sometimes it's like a knife can cut the
can
finger.
cut.
You can touch
Yes,
brand here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They can cut it.
Oh, that's got. It's folded over.
Yeah.
So it's not a proper ring. It's actually over and over. That's why it's sharp. Ah, nice one. Okay. Now, how much does Lao Khao cost?
70 baht usually.
Okay, 70 baht for the Aussies out there is $3.50, and it's 40% CSIP.
60, yeah. But if less than 40 degree, we don't think it's good taste. It's not. We sometimes we love Falang and we say tequila is good, but Thai Lao Khao is like a second tequila or maybe first tequila or the taste and smell depend who like it. But
Okay.
rich and poor we no care.
Okay, so
Just strong.
this is the small bottle, and it also comes in a bigger bottle. So this is the small one, this is Lek, and the big one is Yai. How much for the big bottle?
We bought 120.
120, which is $6 Australian for
Yeah.
a full bottle of 40% alcohol spirits. Sounds like a bargain to me. Let's go and try some. And let's have a look. I already have some in here. And we see it is clear. Clear like a vodka. Okay?
Yeah, like a vodka,
You want
like a
some?
tequila. Yeah, please.
Un almay. Okay. So let's. I'm going to smell this. So it reminds me very much of Bacardi rum from Cuba or Costa Rica. I'm not sure where. Oh, it's quite thin. It's not syrupy. Very much Bacardi with slight bit of sweetness. Didn't I want? Okay, let's have a sip.
Yeah. โชคดีค่ะ
Shoddy. Yeah, so think of, when I said Bacardi, a white rum, but a cheap white rum, such as Beanley rum from the Beanley distillery for you Queenslanders out there. That's what. Now, my understanding is the traditional way to drink Lao Khao is not like we're doing, that we have one cup
ค่ะ
and we have a group of people and we pour and we drink,
Yeah.
but we drink the whole lot.
Yeah.
And then we pass to the next person, they pour.
Yeah.
Do they pour themselves or someone else pour?
It's been a group.
Yeah.
Depend the group. Some they need Red Bull.
Right.
Red Bull, Kaching Dang, Emroy, Carabao, Red
Okay.
Bull. Yeah.
Okay. And it keeps going, and they go till they finish the
Yeah,
bottle.
but for me, we same like a Europe people. If you drink like a vodka, if you drink like a tequila, if you are not on Red Bull, you like a 4. But if you drink with Red Bull, like a come on.
Makes you strong. Okay. Sounds like a great combination. A highly caffeinated drink and strong alcohol. What could possibly go wrong? Anyway, time to scull. Drink it the proper way, like the Thais do. Wow. That'll put hairs on your chest. Woo. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so you've seen how we, caught, hunted, and prepared the shells. Freshwater shells, obviously, because we're in Buriram, we're a long way from the coast. And here's the finished product. Now, of course, these have been grilled by Mintra, and she uses lots of spices and oils, etc. And there's a lot of meat there, I think. Let's have a crack. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, very hot. Whoa, Mark. Okay, let me try. Let's see how it goes. Oh, hot. Hot. Oh, hot. Ooh. Pepper, garlic. I like. A little bit chewy for me because I'm old. The flavour, the flavour with the sauce is very good, and it needs that actually because we have the difference between the meat and the brightness and the heat of the sauce. So I think that's very good. Thank you very much, Mintra Chulavani.
It's like a chicken. How taste? Sometimes soft, sometimes hard, like a chicken.
And
Like
there's
our own chicken.
yeah. There's a real meat flavour. I know this sounds odd. There's almost, everyone says, smells like fish, tastes like chicken. I may as well say 6, 7. But the reality is there's a beefy flavour in that. I think that's that umami thing. Or it could also be 2 teaspoons of MSG. Who knows? Anyway, there's scoops. Help. Help. No, I'll be alright. I'm just stuck in a different sort of place than I'm used to. So I'll get through it. I'm just trying to find a space now where a grab can pull over and then I'll order a grab. Okay?